Yeah, now let's study and then open your textbook page 19. And open your textbook page 19. Already? Halaman 19 ya. Yes, great job. Yeah, about number bonds. Yeah, about number bonds. Ya, kalau kita buka halaman 19 itu, the title it's about number bonds. Ya, angka-angka yang saling berkaitan. Okay, students. Ya, the second one, Miss Ray want to tell to you why. Ya, today we want to do our math project. Kita mau kerjakan proyek matematika ya. We want to do our math project. So students, you can take this paper. Can you see? Can you see this? Yes, take your math project papers. And then the second, yes, take this paper. Ya, boleh ambil ini juga yang ada gambar-gambarnya ini. This is math project papers too, ya. Yang ini juga. Yes, so there are two. Ya, two types of the paper. Two types math project papers. Jadi ada dua jenis ya kertas-kertas yang dibutuhkan dalam proyek matematika kita. Oke, now put down on your desk. Letakkan lagi di atas mejanya. Letakkan lagi di atas mejanya because you want to do it. Ya, letakkan lagi di atas mejanya. Okay, students, already? Yes, so now let's watch this video ya. Let's watch this video. Okay, students, ya, Miss Ray will show you the video, but first Miss Ray want to tell you this, ya. Please be focused. Okay, students, ya, before Miss Ray play the video, you can take your materials, ya, boleh ambil bahan dan alatnya, ya, take your materials, pencil, eraser, glue, scissors, colored pencils, picture paper, and number bonds paper. Ya, sembari anak-anak Miss persiapkan, Miss Ray will show you the video. Let's watch and then be focused. Ya. Okay, let's watch this video, kids. Please be focused.
Sunshine students, how are you today? Okay, now we want to do our math project. So we can take our materials. The first, pencil. The second, eraser. The third is glue. The fourth is scissors. The fifth is colored pencils. Okay, students, the sixth, you can take the picture papers, yeah, and then the steps here, and then the last you can take this, yeah, number bonds papers.
Okay, have you prepared, kids? Sudah disiapkan anak-anak Miss? Make thumbs up if already. There are 7 materials. Ada 7 ya bahan-bahan yang diperlukan. Oke. Gilbert Silalahi, turn on your video. Michelle, turn on your video. Michelle. Michelle. Okay, students, Miss Ray will repeat once more ya. Miss Ray will play the audio once more. Miss akan mainkan lagi, putar lagi videonya sekali lagi ya.
Students, how are you today? Okay, now we want to do our math project, so we can take our materials. The first, pencil. The second, eraser. The third is glue. The fourth is scissors. The fifth is colored pencils. Okay, students, the 6, you can take the picture papers, yeah, and then the steps here, and then the last you can take this, yeah, number bonds papers. Okay, students, now let's do it. Okay, everyone, you can read these steps in here, yeah. Okay, there are 7 steps. First, you can write your name. You can write your name and then class and then the date. Okay.
Okay, students. Now, first take your number bonds papers here and then write your name first. Coba anak-anak ini semua ambil kertasnya. Kita mau tulis nama dulu ya. Write your name first. Evelyn, write your name. Widya, Gilbert Sihombing, what are you doing? Aldrich, Brian, write your name. Michelle. Yes, Aska, write your name. Tulis namanya ya, Bang. Nindya, where is your paper, Nindya? Mana kertasnya, Kak? Tunjukkan Miss dulu. Iya, write your name, Kak. Tulis namanya. Already with Nindya? Sudah tulis namanya, Kak?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, nice. And then write the date. Yeah, if class, you can write start class. And then Miss Ray will show you the date, kids. You can write the date. Ini misalkan tunjukkan tanggal, anak-anak Miss bisa tulis tanggalnya. Today is Monday, 23rd August 2021. Tulis tanggal kita ya, on your paper. Oh, Michelle not yet taken the papers ya. Later after you take, you can do ya, Michelle. Evelyn finish. Berlian, where are you? Berlian di mana ya? Finish Berlian, finish Aska. Berlian finish, Kak.
Finish, Miss.
Oke. Aska finish, Bang.
Finish, Miss.
Oke, nice. Oke, can I close the date? Luis, udah bisa Miss tutup tanggalnya? Luis.
Udah, Miss. Udah, Miss.
Okay, nice. Thank you. Now let's watch again the video.
Okay. After this, you can read again from here. Ya, read the quiz. Ya, jadi anak Miss bisa baca semua soal-soalnya di sini. There are 10 questions. Ya. Okay, and then the third, you can read again. Count the pictures. Ya. Okay. Example number 1, kids. Ya, number 1. The question is 1 plus 3 is equal to blank blank blank. Jadi soalnya adalah 1 ditambah 3 sama dengan titik-titik. Okay. Remember kids, this is whole, this is part 1 and then this is part 2. Okay. Part 1 plus part 2 make, yes, ya, you can write here, ya, whole. Okay, jadi 1 tambah 3 is equal to 1 plus 3 is equal to, yes, great job, 4. So you can count, yeah, you can count the picture here. Yeah, okay, you can count these pictures. Okay, 4. So what picture? Example, we can count this picture, ice creams. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's wrong. So choose another picture. Okay, example cars. Yeah, how many cars here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can cut this car.
Okay, students, before we cut ya, sebelum kita potong, Miss akan jelaskan ulang lagi. Oke, contohnya nomor 1 ya tadi, example number 1. Contohnya nomor 1, 1 plus 3 is equal to blank blank blank. Contohnya nomor 1, 1 ditambah 3 sama dengan titik-titik. Ingat ya, lingkaran yang pertama, yang besar ini adalah namanya whole. Lingkaran kedua namanya part 1. Lingkaran ketiga namanya part 2. Ingat, kalau part 1 ditambah part 2 menghasilkan whole. 1 plus 3 make. Ya, 1 ditambah 3 menjadi berapa? 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. It's okay, Miss Ray give no you number 1. Nggak apa-apa, Miss kasih tahu nomor 1 ya. 1 ditambah 3 sama dengan 4. Kemudian setelah itu anak-anak Miss ya cari dari gambar ini yang dimana ada 4 benda. Hasilnya tadi 4 kan? 1 tambah 3 sama dengan 4. Ya, benda mana yang jumlahnya hanya 4? Coba dihitung. Ya, contohnya tadi Miss katakan adalah car, ya, adalah mobil. Artinya mobil ini yang akan ditempel di number bombs-nya nanti. Oke, let's continue again. Kita lanjutkan videonya lagi ya.
Example, we can count this picture, ice creams. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's wrong. So choose another picture. Okay, example cars. Yeah, how many cars here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can cut this car. You can cut neatly kids, ya, dipotong dengan rapi ya. Okay, this one. Okay, now everyone, you can take your glue. Here. Okay, take your glue and then stick here. And then stick here.
Ditempel di lingkaran yang kosong ya.
Okay. And then stick here, kids. Okay, and then you can take your colored pencils and then make the color. Ya, jadi anak-anak Miss setelah itu warnain. Okay, free color ya, bebas warnanya. You want to color the car become what color ya? Blue. Okay, and then you can take blue color and then make the color here. And then the second color is yellow. And then the third is red. And then the last color is green. Okay, or you want to make again the color orange here outside the picture ya, in circle, jadi seperti penghiasnya. You can make the creativity kids here. Okay, thank you everyone. Yeah, so you can do number 2, 3, 4 until number 10. Then kids, you have to collect this paper after finish. Thank you students. Bye bye, stay healthy.
Okay, everyone. Ya. No need to make video ya, tidak perlu membuat video, hanya mengerjakannya saja ya di dalam number bonds. Okay?
Fishing adventure. Fish until you find the sunken ship. Oh, I'm excited.
Students, okay, the criteria is creativity and then the content ya, isi dan kreativitas. Jadi nanti anak-anak Miss yang akan dinilai adalah benar nggak jawabannya sesuai dengan yang ditanya, dan kemudian dihias nggak, diwarnai nggak, seperti itu. Kalau hanya biasa aja tidak diwarnai, nilainya nggak pas 100. So you have to make your creativities ya. So Miss Ray will make your score 100. Okay, thank you students. You can collect the paper on Friday 27 August 2021. Jadi nanti kumpul kertasnya itu ya di hari Jumat tanggal 27. Thank you everyone. See you. Any question? Ada pertanyaan anak-anak Miss?
Yes.
Miss,
Yes.
number 9 itu udah betul, Miss. Yang whole-nya itu, Miss. 0.
Number 9, Miss Ray will check first. Oh,
Miss.
okay. Yes. Okay, one by one ya. Okay, students, yes, thank you Ibu for remind. Number 9 ya, number 9 itu zeronya change become part. Wait, one by one, Miss Ray still talking here. Number 9 kids itu whole-nya 0 ya. Coba lihat anak-anak Miss dulu. Thank you for remind me, Ibu. Coba Miss lihat nomor 9 ya. Di whole-nya itu ada 0 kan kids? Sini 0. Kemudian part 1. And then part 2. Ya, part 1-nya itu ada 5 dituliskan. And then part 2 empty ya. There is no number here. Kids, yeah, I'm so sorry. Okay. You can change. Ya, you can change. Whole-nya 0 itu di sini ya. Whole-nya di sini. So you can make in the part 2, 0. Coba tulis nomor 9-nya, number 9 di bagian 2 0. Di bagian 2-nya 0. Di bagian 2-nya 0. Tulis nomor 9. Coba dulu, take your pencil kids. Pay attention for number 9. Tulis 0. Ya. Kemudian ini nanti anak-anak Miss bisa erase, hapus atau timpai dengan gambar. Timpai dengan gambar angka 0-nya ya. So 5 plus 0 is equal to, jadi 5 ditambah 0 sama dengan, tempelkan di sini ya, boleh ditimpai angka 0-nya. Oke, thank you students. Any question again everyone? Ada pertanyaan lagi?